Okay, let me first explain this concept of AI adolescence. And I want to compare it to what AI projects have been in many organizations maybe 2 years ago, where there was the desire to experiment, the funding, the trust, and essentially a sandbox. A sandbox, very little consequences for you to start experimenting with AI because AI was new. That I compare to a childhood. I would say in the last year and a half, though, and a lot of organizations really this year, they are in the age of kind of AI adolescence, where the early pilots gave them the confidence that they can do so much, gave them the confidence that the old ways of living and working and don't apply here. The rules don't apply here. Gave them the boldness that they could do anything they want. And those experiments have turned into many different pilots that are still stuck in purgatory. And you've seen the stats. 80 to 90% of pilots don't provide the impact, the value intended. And that's pretty much like what adolescence is. For many teenagers, this age of arrogance, expectation, experimentation, feeling that the old rules don't apply and you can do things in new ways. But now the adolescence is ending. The AI projects are being now pressured to provide ROI. The funding is now qualified, it's gated. The governance is there, at least from the federal powers, whether you're in Europe or US. Parents are watching, and there are fines and consequences. And that's what I want to talk about. The age of AI adolescence that we're coming out from, and what do we have to do to mature, and what's preventing us from maturing.